So now let's see how we can work around with map object effect inside of GIMP. So to apply the map object effect, you need to go around under filters right here. Then you need to go around under map right here, and you can see that map object is an option. So if I were to go ahead and click right here, then what happens is that I get the mapping right here. So if I were to go around right here, you can see the preview around over here. So now what I can do is I can go around and then change around the light source, as you can see right here, change around the material, as you can see right here, and let's just go around and update the preview live as well. And as I do that, you can see that if I were to go around over here, I can go for create a new layer right here, new image, or maybe I'm just going to go around create a new layer right here. I can go around enable out the depth right here as well. So now I can go around change around the light right here just like this, change around the light position. I can change around the material right here and change around the orientation, as you can see as well, just like this. I can go around and zoom out and zoom in right here, and this is what you have. As you can see, I can even rotate it out right here. Let's just go around over here, and then let's say for example change around the light right here, decrease around the light right here just like this, and let's just go around and utilize the directional light right here. So once you're happy with what you get right here just like this, so this is what you have. You can tile the source image, or you can go around right here just like this, and then this is what you have. You can also map it out onto a sphere, as you can see right here just like this. You can map it onto a box as well. You can map it onto a cylinder as well, as you can see. So let's just go around, map it out onto a sphere, as you can see right here. Work around with the transparent background right here just like this, and change this around. So let's just go around, change around the threshold and so forth, and this is what you have. So if I were to go around and press OK right here, then it actually maps it out onto a sphere, as you can see right here just like this. So let me just go around over here and map out in other shapes as well. So let's just go around onto map right here, and then go to map object right here just like this. So this is what you have right here. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around and change around the depth right here, and I'm going to map it out onto a box, let's say for example, and I'm going to change around the depth as well. So if I were to go around and press OK, then what happens is that you get it mapped onto a box right here just like this, as you can see. So you got a cube right there. Similarly, you can go around and map it out onto other shapes as well. So let's just go around over here and then map it around onto an object right here. And now I'm going to select out a cylinder right here just like this. So let me just go around and change around the light color a bit now. So let's just go around, utilize the point light right here, and change around the light color right here just like this, and press OK. And if I were to go around and press OK right here, then you got this particular cylindrical shape right here just like this. So this is how you can go around and map out your images to objects inside of GIMP. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.